I will help you get listed on Google Maps, but there is something you should know, so please bear with me. I run a Google Business Profile agency with its own organization ID. I am not a regular freelancer. I help tons of clients, whether on Fiverr or those who reached out to me directly. But not everyone is eligible. Are you? If you run an online business and you don't have a physical location that you would like to show to your clients, then you are not eligible. You need a physical location if you run an online business, so you can actually prove to Google that you run this business from there. If you're any local business owner that serves at clients' locations, then you are eligible without a physical address. You don't need that. Whether you run a plumbing business or moving business, it doesn't matter. You don't need a physical location. Although you still need to prove to Google that you run this business, and you have to be located around. Physical address is an important SEO factor to rank your business higher. However, there are over 100 other factors that can help boost your ranking, so you don't have to worry about that. Please don't try to bypass Google terms because Google is smarter than all of us. Instead, let's find a solution